To download GTA San Andreas on your Windows computer, you first need to open your favorite browser and here type GTA San Andreas download. And after that, you need to open the first link which says Rockstar game. Open the link and from here you need to tap this buy now option. Tap the buy now option. It will be redirected to this page. It says GTA Trilogy. So when you buy this, you will get 3 games. This is GTA Vice City, GTA 3 and GTA San Andreas. So tap this PC, don't tap PS5, just tap the PC and buy now option. Now from here you need to sign into your Rockstar account. So sign in and purchase the game. If you don't have a Rockstar account, you just create a new one from here, then sign in and then purchase the game. And now you need to download and play the game. So in order to download the game and play it, you need to go back to Google Chrome again and search Rockstar. And from here you need to tap the first link again, Rockstar Games, and from here tap this get launcher. So we need this launcher to play and to basically download and play the game. So this will be the launcher. So download for Windows and you need to download this. So I have already downloaded the launcher, so I won't download again, but if you don't have, just download and install the launcher. So after downloading and installing, you will get this launcher. So you need to open the launcher. So now we need to log into our Rockstar account. So remember the account which you have used in order to purchase the game. You need to log in the same account here. So let me log into my account. So once you have successfully logged into your Rockstar game launcher, you will find this interface. So as you can see, it says Grand Theft Auto the Trilogy. This is the place you want to visit. If you have purchased the game, it will say play game, but I haven't purchased the game. So after you see the option play, you just tap the option and this will automatically download the game. So this is basically combination of 3 games. When you tap the play and when you download the game, you will ask to choose which game you will play. So you choose the San Andreas, you can choose Vice City or GTA 3. So yeah, that's how you download San Andreas on your Windows computer. Thanks, and please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.